Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Bringing your cherished VHS memories to life on a modern smart TV might seem like a daunting task given the technological leap, but it's entirely achievable with the right equipment and a few simple steps. Modern smart TVs are designed primarily for digital inputs like HDMI, USB, and internet connectivity, completely omitting the analog RCA, red, white, yellow ports that VHS players rely on. The key to bridging this gap is an analog-to-digital converter box. This essential device takes the analog audio and video signals from your VHS player and transforms them into a digital HDMI signal that your smart TV can understand. To begin, you'll need your VHS player, its power cable, standard RCA cables, the familiar red, white, and yellow connectors, an HDMI cable, and, most importantly, the RCA to HDMI converter box, which typically comes with its own power adapter. First, ensure all devices, your VHS player, smart TV, and the converter box, are powered off and unplugged from their respective power outlets. This is a crucial safety step and prevents any potential damage during connection. Next, take your RCA cables and connect them from the video out or audio video out ports on the back of your VHS player to the corresponding RCA in or AV in ports on your converter box. Remember to match the colors precisely: yellow for video, white for left audio, and red for right audio. A common mistake is misconnecting these, which can result in no picture or no sound. Once the RCA cables are securely connected to the converter, take your HDMI cable. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI out port on your converter box and the other end to any available HDMI input port on your smart TV. Make a mental note or physically check which HDMI port you've used on your TV, e.g. HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI ARC, as you'll need to select this later. Now that all the cables are in place, it's time to power up. Plug in the power adapter for your RCA to HDMI converter box and connect it to a power source. Then plug in your VHS player and your smart TV. Turn on your VHS player first, then your smart TV. Using your TV's remote control, navigate to the Input or Source menu. This is usually a button labeled Input, Source, or an icon resembling a rectangle with an arrow. From the list of inputs, select the HDMI port you connected the converter box to earlier, e.g. HDMI 1. You should now see the VHS player's output, possibly a blue screen or the VHS player's menu, displayed on your smart TV. Insert your favorite VHS tape into the player and press play. You should now be able to relive your memories in full glory, albeit in standard definition, on your modern television. If you encounter any issues, a few troubleshooting steps can help. If there's no picture or sound, double-check all cable connections, ensuring they are snug and correctly color-matched. Verify that the converter box is powered on and that you've selected the correct HDMI input on your TV. Sometimes the converter box might need a power cycle. If the picture is fuzzy or distorted, try adjusting the tracking on your VHS player, which is usually a button on the player itself or its remote. Ensure your RCA cables aren't damaged, and if possible, try a different set. Finally, some smart TVs have picture settings that can be tweaked, though usually, a standard input should work without much fuss. Enjoy rediscovering your treasured home videos and classic movies. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.